Good morning, everybody. Watching gold here in GBP USD. I think it's going to be a good morning. Looks like GBP USD is looking to continue. It dropped again last night. Let's look at the bigger picture. Maybe he's looking to fill that wick. I'm not sure. Well, it went down there, but it didn't. It just kissed it. Perhaps another head and shoulders being formed on the 4H. This is the shorter vision. There's gold. Good morning, Abes. Welcome. I think gold wants to drop. Seems that way. Created resistance right here. Rejected at resistance again. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Let's go to a high time frame. It's ranging, really. But I'm thinking it wants to test that bottom again. Shall see. They started bullish, but it's losing steam. Shall see what comes of it. Didn't do much last night. Went up a little bit, breaking resistance for about 30 pips. And came back in. Abe's, where are you from? We got news coming. About 20 minutes. And a big news at 10 a.m. Job openings. Tallahassee, you're not that far away. Morning, kicker. You're in Tallahassee, you're not that far away. Closing half of a position there that I had with gold. No, awesome. Yeah, Joe is an awesome dude. Here. I can manage that. Manage that. And why Tallahassee? Where do you guys meet? Did you move from Detroit to Tallahassee? Buenos días, Joseph. Gallo. It's coming down hard on the 30-minute gold. It's gonna have a reaction when it touches. We shall see if it goes up to meet it or waits for it. Buenos días, Yeti. Joe used to live in Ocala? Okay. Oh, didn't know that story. I have to extract that story from him. Good morning, Federico. That is right, Kirky. You know that you're in a habit when you don't need an alarm to wake up. Well, the 30-minute created a new support. Talking about gold. Right there. That's an early entry for a sell if it breaks it. It's about 30 pips to the bottom. Depending on which out you want to use, 20 pips there out, 29 pips there out for these other wicks. We'll see how quickly that 50 gets down here. I am doing these, Federico. Been here for a couple weeks already. Yep, and it's been announced. And I announced it on the channel. Did I announce it on the channel? I'm not sure if I announced it on the channel. Did I announce it on the channel? I know I announced it on Instagram. I don't know if I announced it on the channel. Usually post the results on Instagram. Yeah, this is my new gig as far as routine. Every morning, 6:30 to 9:30, about 10 a.m. maybe. If we don't get a move by then, I'm moving on with the rest of my day. You got a bunch of news coming. So again, caution. Morning, Stefan. That's awesome, Abe's. Yeah, he's got a great story. He's got a great story. Jay Hood. Jay Hood. What's the question? Good morning, Abby. ¿Ya estás en la calle? ¿O está por salir? Good morning, Ataro. Jay Hood, I send setups for London for the team. Last night we won on gold, 30 pips. It actually broke out before London. But it's not advisable to do London and New York, right? So I'm in New York. I think the big picture, like you were saying, Stefan, is perhaps a bearish flag on gold. What we want to learn today is if this is going to do a continuation move from this drop, or if it's going to reverse and make some correction on it. There are news coming, bunch of yellow folders here at 7 a.m., 8:55, and then a big old red folder at 10 a.m. So that's going to maybe halt the action for a little bit. ¿Ya estás trabajando, Avi? Goodness gracious, a las 6:30 estás trabajando. O sea, ya estaba de camino, tal vez. Wow. Good morning, brother. Good morning, James, also. De las 6 a las 2. That's not too bad, I guess. That's not terribly bad. You got any kids, Abby? Because that will keep you busy. I guess if you get out of 2, you can pick up the kids at school. Is that the plan? Yo acá pensando, pero entonces ¿cuándo vas a hacer el trading cómoda? Porque trabajando y haciendo trading no se puede. Federico, I use the 8 exponential and the 50 simple. And I really only really use the The 50. The 8 is there kind of my subconscious. I'm used to it. I'm really paying attention to the 50. Ah, si ellos son manganzones. Esos ya son unos manganzones. Ya, yo tengo, bueno, ¿cuántos hijos tengo yo ahora? 4 que engendré, 2 de mi esposa. La más pequeña es la mía, que cumple 24 este año. 24, 27, 30 y 33. Mi esposa tiene una de 32 que va para 33. No, embuste. Una que va a cumplir 30 este año. Sí, una que va a cumplir 30 este año. Y un manganzón que ya cumplió los 24, va para 25 este año. Un chorro, muchacho. Yeah, you need to find a good time to trade, pero ¿sabes qué? Las horas tuyas tal vez tendrán que ser Londres. Si puedes acostarte temprano y estar levantada para las horas de Londres, puedes coger buenos pips. London is good, man. London is serious money. We can make money in New York, but marido tuyo tiene 4. Wow. Yeah, let me look at my FX book. That's a ton of folders. Yeah, my FX book doesn't seem so concerned with the folders that are going. Like it considers the job openings yellow folder or medium folder, but has it here as red. I think job openings is an important folder. But regardless, and it's not irregardless, it's regardless. This one you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no, that's not this morning. This morning you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folders. That's still gonna call for caution. Goal rejecting. If you can trade, if you can arrange your lifestyle, Avi, to trade during London, you might want to join our academy. Tonight, we sent 3 setups. We sent GU, GA, and I sent gold. Between those three, you're bound to catch something. Federico, I usually go for 15, 20 pips. But it depends what the market is doing and what's available. Like if this breaks here on gold, then my target is there, right? That's support. I'm not holding it pat support. That's 15 pips. It could go all the way down to 26 pips and still be holding support. Gold's about to drop. That's what it looks like from the action. But there's 5 minutes left to 7 o'clock. Appreciate everybody who's here. Yeah, I'm gonna post the link to the academy. If anybody's interested, you can follow that link. If anybody's interested in clases en español, los miércoles serán los días conmigo. Pero no en la academia, sino conmigo personalmente. It wants to drop. We'll see. It's the kind of action you see on gold. Pretty much, well, on GBP USD too. You know, rejection, 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 makes an attempt. This is like the first attempt at breakout, pullback, and now it should break. We'll see. At least to test the bottom. Don't mean it's gonna run forever. ¿Y cómo está la isla, Abby? You know what I miss about Puerto Rico? The salt in the air. I mean, I used to miss the cool breeze of the ocean at night, but now I get it here in Port St. Lucie. I didn't get it while I was in Miami. I get it here in Port St. Lucie. That should break the bottom. Envíame un email. Déjame ponértelo aquí. Excuse me. That didn't sound right. Sí, la cosa está bien mala allá en Puerto Rico. Con el COVID, wow. I'm sorry to hear. Florida, it's been like that too. The last strain, I guess, was hard in Florida, but because the weather is so warm over here, it kills it pretty easily, pretty quickly. I'm talking about if it's in open areas, you know, the heat kills it. But this new strain Pretty strong. Yeah, I'm right here, Jones. Where I'm at now, I'm really close to the beach. I'm probably 15 minutes from the beach. And it could be warm all day. I'll be laying out there by the pool and you'll feel that cool breeze come in. Oh, it's so nice. It is very, very, very nice. Well, that area is holding for gold. So anybody who wants instructions in Spanish, you can email me at that right there, Robert at riveratradinggroup.com. All English speakers are encouraged to go to Academy. You got tons of value there. You're gonna see a lot of ranges here until news or New York Open. No kidding. About where's EIT? About where's in Port St. Lucie? I'm just getting to know it. With Jim Rome. Here's a brief commercial while we wait. How much time we got? Oh, we got 2 minutes. We'll wait here. Wait for a couple minutes. See what the 7 a.m. candle brings us. Yeah, I was in Miami, EIT. I was in the Kendall area. Yeah, my mother-in-law is from Lakeland. On Monday, I went and picked her up, brought her over. What we got? 30 seconds or so. The 7 a.m. South Dade. Yeah, I was in West Dade, Kendall. Kendall's west. Almost at the Chrome. Pretty far west. Here comes that 7 a.m. candle. I guess that support is holding. Congratulations to Amani. I don't know if she's here. I don't know if she's going to join us today, but she just got promoted within the community. We have lots of leadership spots available for our growing academy. Hey, Andres, welcome. Here waiting. Yeah, this is the same pattern, right? We have practically the same pattern going on here on gold as it occurred here last night on GU. Bearish flag, broke, dropped. Now it's basing here. Let's see what happens here. Dropped. We got a little bearish flag going on right now. And it can move for quite a while before it starts dropping. We'll see. Something like so. This is on the bodies. Gold making a move up. It looks like gold liked the news. Now it's retouching the 50 here. GA. This is what I have for GA. Still lots of noise here. I mean, really. And this was good for when it broke above, but now there's a lot of noise here that it has to overcome to come down. I think the best plan would be to watch for that trend line break. Those are my thoughts on GA. Rejecting the 50. Embedded head and shoulders on which one? On GA? Not sure which one you're talking about. More like a bearish flag. This is on the 4-hour. Okay, rejection there on the 50 so far. Looks like GU wants to climb back up where it came from. Yeah, that's a beautiful rejection candle up there on GA. $37.68. You must mean on GU. Jones, you must mean on GU, not gold. Well, yeah. It would have been a safer trade above the zone, not into the zone, but okay. Excuse me. Well, that's on third. That's the hour. There you go. It could test the wick of that right there. But both have very strong moves to the downside. Buen dia, Josh. Excuse me. This is the Dixie. Dixie's been roaring up. If it keeps coming down, then gold will keep going up. Watching the reaction here of gold with the 50 moving average. I'm gonna wait on the 8 a.m. candle. I'm gonna watch the action. I'm gonna take act. I'm gonna make a move with my 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. candle. That's what I've learned so far. I took a small win on gold last night. I said it was breaking the highs. That was a very quick scalp. Took a loss this morning on gold. I was anticipating the break of this right here. Should have waited. Should have waited for the close of this green candle. On the close of this green candle, I would have known that that was new support. I was anticipating this to continue moving down, and it could still go down. You know, it could still reject where it's at right now, especially the 50. Maybe it might have been waiting for that 50. We shall see. Let's see the reaction of gold at the 50 on the 30-minute. When's the last time that it touched it? It's been a while. It broke below here 2 days ago. And this is the first touch of that 50. I would expect it to reject. Messing around with it on the 15, but that's just consolidation. This is all just consolidation. So we may see a reaction here from the touch on that 50 because it hasn't touched it since it broke 2 days ago. First touches are usually rejections. Good morning, Chrissy. You've been holding a buy from where? Yeah, it's rejecting the 50 so far. As I mentioned, gold many times waits for that 50 and then continues. But we shall see. And on the higher time frame, it looks like rejections. The 4 hour is just consolidation, right? We can see the bearish flag. Will it complete? We shall see. Buenos días, Mercedes. Yeah, what's your entry, Chrissy? Maybe we can help you sort of anticipate what's going on, because if GU is going to continue its sell, this might be a good place to either be closing positions or at least taking partial losses. It all depends on your entry. Buenos días, chica. Josh compró en el 54. 54 está bueno, hermano. Yeah, Josh has figured out the reversal. Good man, Josh. 17 pips up. You take partials already? Secure that bag. I mean, the overall, this is what you got to remember for everybody. The trend is bearish. Now, it is at support. There's a level of support here, but the trend is bearish. If you're going to take buys from rejection, it'd be wise to make those quick buys and not hold them for very long. That's just wise. Do whatever you want. Go chill, trying to figure out what to do. Hey, Jones. I know a guy who makes, yeah, you got at least 6 or 7 pips on that so far, at least. Good job, Josh. You can't lose by taking profit. I lost my train of thought. Or something of value, I was going to say. I'm sure it had some sort of value, and I now forgot. The beautiful thing about nice move there. The beautiful thing about reversals is and I think that's what Josh is really playing on. It's the stop loss. It's so tight. I mean, stop loss is so tight that if you lose little. If you win big. So that was a big win right there for Josh. Ya casi en 20 pips. $19.79, what is it? That would be incorrect, Chrissy. You want to revise those numbers? Are we talking about GU? I thought you were originally talking about GU, Chrissy. What are we talking about? For me, it's got to climb that 50. GU. And this could be an effect of news. And we just had a bunch of folders open. Still rejecting. I think you got the right idea, Biggie. There's so many ways to make money, though. There's so many ways to make money in Forex. Is this let me see. Yep. Set the golden zone right now. From the latest push. Golden zone of this move. Came down, bounced, retraced. The last push. Swing high, swing low. Golden zone exactly at the 50, exactly at this noise over here. Hola, Lionel. Yo muy bien. Anoche me acosté temprano, pero la cadera me despertó. My left hip was killing me last night. Chrissy, are you talking about gold? Are you talking about gold? So I think your numbers are off. Gold still rejecting. Talking about a guy who makes something. I'm not, I don't know, I completely lost it. Whatever the heck I was talking about is gone from my mind. Ah. Terry says rejecting from supply. Let's check it. Yep, you could call that supply. Go to high time frame. I guess a minor area of supply. Yeah. Yeah. If you consider that supply, I mean, it broke down, came up, dropped quickly. If you consider that supply. Okay, so Chrissy, you were talking about gold. Now, there's no way that you were in gold from 17. What else did you say? 1979. No, I'm confident that's not what you mean. You're not in a buy from gold from 1979. How far ago was that? Gold hasn't been at 1979 in a long time. So you got to revise those numbers, Chrissy. Check those numbers. Give us some real numbers. Yeah, but your numbers are incorrect, I think. 1979. You got to give me some real numbers. Maybe 1799. Music just came back. You mean 1799? Give me exact numbers. Coordinates. Nice move. Congratulations, Josh. Beautiful move. I mean, that's the completion of the move as far as I'm concerned. It could go on, break through, rebound and go up. But for a scalper, that's a nice little win. 23 pip move. You already took 70-some% off. You got a small position in, you can let it run. Very nice. Yeah, just to answer Terry's question. Here's the deal with that, Terry. Price has been dropping. The area that you're talking about, it crossed it, right? I mean, it created sells here, created sells here. You could say based on the action, yeah, there are sells there. And it rejected there too. So obviously there's sells there. I wouldn't necessarily call it supply. Supply is something like this, where it dropped dramatically. It was going up and reversed. What you're describing over here, it was going down, retraced and dropped. There's no reversal action here. Supply and demand areas are areas of reversal. And this was just a retracement of this move. This is a very shallow retracement of this move right here, bearish flag. So hope that helps you, buddy. Still having a hard time going over that 50. Why do my charts keep messing up? Hi, Andy. Good job, Cesar. Good job. That's great to hear. That's great to hear, buddy. Congratulations. Don't suddenly up your size just because you won. Keep doing what you're doing in the exact same way that you're doing it. And by the way, for those of you who don't know, what the 50 moving average is, right? It's the average price. It's the average price of the last 50 candles. Price always tends to return to the 50 average. And so it returning to the 50 average doesn't mean it's going up or down. It's just there. And if it goes above it, eventually it comes back to it. It wants to return to the average price. So right now, it could just be touching the average price to go back down. To climb back up, it has to fight with all these orders that it created as it was coming down. Gold doesn't have the same problem because gold just drops straight. So if it can break through resistance, and there's the golden zone all the way up here. So it's got room. And the golden zone is also 50%, right, guys? Golden zone is 50%. Golden zone is 50%. So returning to that price is the price. It's the 50% price of the move. People like to work with averages because then it tells them kind of where they are market-wise. Yep. Bueno, el momentum lo está llevando hacia abajo, pero tenemos noticias también, so, you know. Okay, did that close above or below? Did that just close above or below on a 30-minute? Closed below, didn't it? Now that this stopped here, I'll be watching for this one to close. If this closes red, then that's my new resistance. Then I have it trapped in here. We shall see. I mean, right now I have resistance here. We have a resistance here. This seems to have closed above. Well, no, it's above. It's at the same place. It stopped exactly. This stopped exactly here. That stopped exactly there. So we shall see if this closes red, it respects it. But what is your entry, Chrissy? What's your entry? In every trade, there are 3 points of reference, right? There's the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. So what's your entry? Very difficult to take a buy here over this because it's running right into resistance. Oh, still not used to these mornings. I'm getting there. Pip drop on that move right there. Yeah, what was I talking about? You said the mates, the guy that made what? No, that's gonna bother me. Trying to remember what was I talking about. Oh, I remember now. You see how quickly that came back? What I was gonna say is Jones was up 5, 6 pips. I can't remember. Jones, did you close it? You might have gotten 10 pips. Did you close it? What I was gonna say is I know a guy who makes about $500,000 a year with about 5 pips per trade. So it's not about the amount of pips. It's not about the amount of pips. It's about the lot size in those pips. And a strategy that wins with consistency. No, it was Jones. Jones said that he went in. He went in pretty high, but he would have gotten 8 or 10 pips from the move if he closed it. Okay. He's trying to climb the 50 and now it rejects. It's super important to wait for candles to close. That was my mistake here. It's important to wait for candles to close. Oh, we got, okay. It's already showing us rejection, but we need some bearish action here. I need a 30-minute candle. I need a 30-minute candle close. Yeah, it just doesn't take, it doesn't take a lot. Just gotta have a strategy that works consistently and work it. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. What's the currency heat wave showing? Currency heat wave is showing us GBP and USD about the same strength. Strongest currency right now is NCD. AUD and GBP also battling for strength. Not mucho happening. Tug of war. Getting rejections. Ooh. Sorry. Oye, ayer te pregunté, Mercedes, si ya llegaste a casa o todavía estás por acá. No creo que me contestaste. Is it the music that's making me sleepy? What is the deal? Is that a fake out over here? It's looking like one. Yeah, there are people to go along that topic. Mercedes, there are people who trade on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. For that, you need like magic keys or hotkeys for sure to move that quick. Yeah, he posted, not just in the community, Josh, he posted a setup. Jay sent out a G setup. So did Joe, and so did I on gold. Gold won about 30 pips last night, and then came back inside the zone, and this is a rearrangement of that. Go ahead and remove that from there. Narrowing the window. Got it. Yeah, you've been waiting on that title for a while. Josh, the man of many names. Why don't you go by your real name? Or is this your secret identity? Is that what it is? Miss Chrissy, how can you not know your entry? It's on your phone or on your MT4. What are you using to trade? Cameron says he took the sale. On GU. Raja is awesome. Raja Banks is a beast. I like him a lot. He trades a lot like me. I like Raja. I am confident that one day I will have him at my conference and he will have me at his conference teaching this baby. And I like him as a human being. He's a good man. Oh, Josh, you're a funny man. Nah, Roger's a good man. Nice rejection on gold. See, I wish I was as bold as Josh, because that would have been 15 pips already. Because this is the kind of action right here that good old Josh likes to play on. I'm talking about Joel. He likes this little action right here. And as I mentioned, the first touch on the 50, usually a rejection. And it was. That would have been a quick 15, 16. Mercedes, it's time for you to go shopping. Oh, yeah. That is his phrase, isn't it? He also uses, it's very, very important. A lot. It's very, very important. Waiting for the candle to close is very, very important. Mira, ya llegaron los scammers de nuevo. Este tipo no para. Ese tipo no para. Échale un mal de ojo al tipo ese, Josh. Very nice rejection. Very, very nice rejection. What do you mean not with the spread? What spread? What are you talking about, Mercedes? ¿De qué estás hablando, chica? My spread on gold is nothing. Current spread on gold. Oh, gold is at 5 pips right now. Gold at 5 pip spread. Yeah, that's a 5 pip spread. That's not 55 pips. That's 5 pip spread. That's 5.5. I still would have taken it. I mean, based on the market structure, and the structure is the resistance, right? And the price action is a rejection, which you anticipated when it hit the 50. Not only did it hit the 50, but also you see the rejections from this area. So that would have been a nice trade. And yeah, if the spread is 5, which is not advisable, it's not so great, obviously. It's not very good. You take 10 pips instead of 15. That was 20 pip move right there, 21 pip move. Yeah, it's never good to get large spreads. I'm surprised that the spreads are this big. It must be because news. When volume comes in, the spread should go down, guys, by the way. When the 8 a.m. opens, the spread should go down significantly. Yeah. Yeah, that's what happened, Mercedes. I mean, I am surprised at the spread. I have another broker over here. The spreads are significantly better. What is going on with LQDFX? Why do they want to charge me so much to play the game? And the spreads are not fluctuating at all. It's stuck at 5.5. They're not fluctuating. All the other pairs are fluctuating. Gold is not fluctuating. I have to have a little chat with my broker. Why they do that? Why they do that? Yeah, that would have been a nice little sell right there. Who's your broker, Stefan? Magic Keys. Chrissy, are you on the community? Are you on NTTA? If you are in TTA, you can go to my last risk management video, not the last one, the one before that. I discussed Magic Keys. It's like a hotkeys kind of instrument, both the physical form and also the digital one that you use on your computer. Owanda is understood to be perhaps the best broker in the US. Okay, XM is your broker. Okay, Stefan, got it. Yeah, I don't like those spreads on gold with LQDFX. I have no idea why they have it that way. That does not sound right. Reading on that 30-minute candle close. Although I think on the 15-minute we kind of already have resistance. Yep. Yeah, LQDFX consistently has given me the best spreads on gold. And I don't know why it's so high. And like I said, it's fixed, it's not moving. That's not, something's not right. Something ain't right. Yeah, that's the thing with Awanda. And with Panda too. That's the thing with Awanda, the spreads, the leverage. But you don't need that much leverage. Okay, there you go. There goes gold. Nice move. Beautiful rejection from the top. I wanted to jump in that sell, but I did say it was important to wait for the candles to close. The 15-minute candle already closed though, and it had already created the resistance that I was looking for. Oh, what did I miss there? 17 pips, 18 pips? Yeah, that was nice. We will wait on that 30-minute. Here comes Scammer Man again. Well, don't be looking at it so much as a trend line, but perhaps you're looking at it as a bearish flag. That may help you, Mercedes. You know, looking at the bigger picture. It's going to be 8 o'clock. Here comes London. I mean, London. I'm still stuck on the London language. Here comes New York. See what New York brings us. Welcome, Crypto J. We're waiting on 4 minutes here for the 8 a.m. candle to show up. Tell us what the story is with these pairs. Yeah, but trust me, if I wasn't doing this live, I would have gone in. Very likely, I would have gone in on the 15-minute close. Very nice. That's beautiful. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. You must mean support. So does that mean you're not Crypto J, Nathan? All right, let's see what we get here. How much time? A minute and a half. Funny man. I think gold is going down. 30 seconds. Congratulations, Nathan. Took a sell, expecting the volume of the New York Open to break through the bottom here. Moving my stop, moving my take profit, moving my stop loss in place, and let's let it rip. Yeah, I gotta communicate with LQDFX to find out what's going on. Because the spreads are way too big for the volume that's moving. Oh. Gold is failing me again. Retesting once again the 50. Gold is a beast, no doubt. Well, looks like it bounced from support again. Well, that's it for me right there. Bummer. Bummer, bummer. Of course, the Dixie decided to make a drop now. After going up and up and up and up. Well, based on this action, well, let's see if it closes above. It's got to close above. Otherwise, it'll just be another wick and come down. Need a lot more money for NAS. Yeah, the best move on gold was the rejection of the 50. The first touch of the 50. For the buy on GBP USD is running into the golden zone right now. So same thing with gold, for example. You know, gold is looking like a buy, right? But it could just wick here just like it did before. You took a sell on which one, Mercedes? what was it, last night? Yesterday, was it? Yesterday, we saw a, was it a bearish move? No, it was a bullish move. Yesterday, we saw a bullish move on the 8 a.m. candle open. And by the time the 8 a.m. candle finished, it was an obvious bear. Like the first 30 minutes went up, and the next 30 minutes erased everything and came back the other direction. Got it. So you took a sale on gold. Okay, got it. Certainly get it better to take it from there. When you see the Dixie starting to push up. Gold still pushing. Ain't nothing to be careful about. She's got her stop loss. It'll take her out, or it won't. And that's how you got to trade. Make your plan, you follow your plan, put your stop loss, we take TP, and you can live with the consequences. It's the temptation to try to figure it out, Darren. You almost have to play the long game with gold, you know, lots of times. Like, okay, so it's moving up. It don't mean it's going up. It's moving up, don't mean it's going up. It could be the beginning of a reversal. Or it could just simply be the formation of this bearish flag. GU rejecting. GU is tempting for a sell. Because the wicks provide you the stop loss. What's the heat wave telling us? Pretty much the same strength. And not a lot of volume yet. at that move. Nice move. Too bad I was in the opposite direction. Yeah, nothing's moved on the heat wave. Well, NCD has gone crazy. NCD was almost at it. Well, it was 8 there for just a minute. Quick look at NCD. That's a mess, though. Look at that mess. That's a mess. Who wants to trade that? See, until the Dixie breaks through the trend line, right? It's still trending. So if this holds, it starts pushing up, then yeah, gold will come crashing down. Oh. Then leave it alone. Leave it alone, Darren. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, the yawning. Goodness gracious. Yeah, it's wicking, but that's a very bullish move at the moment. I did that yesterday though, guys. Right? Remember? Yeah, this is the 8 a.m. candle. This right here is the 8 a.m. candle. This is the 8:30 candle. This is the 8. This is the 8:30. It erased all of that move up and went bearish. And then you saw what happened afterwards. So are we seeing a pattern here? Yep. Who's watching La Casa de Papel? It just came out. The next season of Money Heist came out. Anybody watching it? La Casa de Papel? Bueno, por supuesto, porque cayó como piedra. Eventualmente cayó como piedra, pero si hubiese ganado 60 pips. Yeah, money heist is good, isn't it? Yeah, please, guys, if you're here and you're getting any value from this, please go ahead and hit the like. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Press the little bell button so you can get notifications when I come live. Also, please take the time to check the rest of the site. Again, brief commercial presentation. I got tons of videos here. Some of them, oh, wait a minute. This is the weekly recap. You guys don't have access. The weekly recaps you don't have access to. Okay, those weekly recaps are for the team. But the London reviews, you have access to the London reviews, you have access to a whole bunch of stuff here from my 50 moving average strategy to the fake out strategy, which is fire. Risk management talks on market structure, pivot points, popular chart patterns, a lot of psychology stuff here, breaking habits, some good stuff. I think you benefit from it. Yeah, the weekly recaps are for Trend Trading Academy only, but the rest of it, you can get a lot of it. It's available to everybody. So that was my brief commercial. Okay, we're seeing some wick action on gold. And yes, Team TTA is the best. Here's a link for anybody who wants to join our academy. Got tons of content included in your membership. Gold returning back to base. It's like a rocket ship going to the moon that decides to come home instead. That's the idea, Cameron. People learn how to trade for themselves. So watching and waiting. How much time? 7 minutes to the 30-minute candle close. The 50-minute broke and retested. 30-minute though, still waking out. The 1 hour. 4 hours, still looking like a bearish flag. Yep, our little gold rocket. It's like the Elon Musk rockets. Full start, full start, full start. I don't know, guys, but I think the drop is imminent. I mean, I guess again, I'm biased for the sell, right? I think there's going to be a continuation of the move. That's a bit over this. This is GU. Got to get over that in order to go down. But gold is a lot cleaner. Here comes Mr. Mr. Spammer. Look at that nice little wick. Let's see those candles turn red now. Yeah, Elon always messing around, manipulating the market with his comments. He learned that from the Trumpster. Look at that wick. The same thing he did yesterday, didn't it, guys? Sorry to hear that, Darren. Yeah, same here, Mercedes. Same here. I'm just hanging out here watching now. Yeah, man, I don't appreciate the LQDFX. I gotta ask him what's up with that. I mean, basically, they don't want you to trade, I guess. Hold on a second. Let me check something out. Yeah. Yep. That gold is stuck. We gotta reach out and find out what's going on. Yeah, buyers keep pushing on gold, but the sellers are like, nah. Nice little battle forming there. Yeah, that's what Mercedes was saying. That hasn't moved since yesterday. And I like to trade gold, so I'm not gonna hang out with LKFX if you're gonna keep messing us like that with the spreads. No idea, Jones. That information will be on their website. minute and a half for candle close. If it closes below this zone, I would expect the next 30-minute candle to finish off going down. Of course, Darren, they're always playing us with gold. They are always playing us. We just watch the structure. I mean, if we move this structure over here, you can see how it's not gone beyond it. I'm gonna leave it where I had it for now and see how it reacts to it. Here it is. The rest of the 9 a.m. candle. Well, look at that. That rejection right there is already 16 pips. Man. Another missed opportunity for having gone in earlier. I mean, it's still consolidation. It's a consolidation. Those are the moves that we can catch with gold. Either the bounce from support or the rejection of resistance, because it does that a lot. Gold does. Yeah. So that's what the 30-minute looks like. Let's look at the 1 hour. Rejection is pretty clear, isn't it, guys? On the 1 hour. Oh my gosh, look at this 4-hour candle. Okay, so indecision of the last 12 hours. The next candle that opens, the 9 a.m. candle, is the next 4-hour candle. I think that will be a definitive move. Here's the importance again of looking at the higher time frames. If I was a swing trader, would have entered a sell somewhere in here and hold it. Let this do whatever it's going to do. Because price action is telling us it's going to sell. Kirky said, got in. Kirky, is that a male name or is that a female name? Gotta make sure. On the buy. That's a hard one. If you have your stop loss at the bottom of the wick, then that's fine, I guess. That's a tough one. That reads, this reads sells. Yeah, that reads sells. You could scalp it, perhaps. Nice rejection. Same move as yesterday, right, Josh? Exact same move. This goes all back to timing, right, guys? It's all about timing. I felt this was going to sell all along. Looks like it's going to sell. Going into early gets you every time. I mean, that's a strong sell indicator. If this fails to sell, I might have to hang up my hat. Very tempting. Very tempting. My wireless bill is ready. There it bounced again. I mean, come on. Hello. This structure right here is where it's struggling right now. That's a lot of pips. 1,100 points, almost 1,200 points. I have no idea what you're talking about, Michael. Because that must be your broker. You're saying that they're in shorts on gold? I see. Promoting your own stuff over here. Well, still waiting. I mean, I'm done. Took 2 bullets. Missed on both my bullets. Y el sub y baja sigue con el oro. Nothing doing here. Nice morning of consolidation for gold. Again, I think the larger view tells us a story of what's really going on. This is the broader view, the bigger view. It could go up, it could go down, it could go up, it could go down. The bigger view here tells you what's going on. I would say 95% at least, this is dropping. Yeah, there are a lot of scalpers that trade gold. Waiting on the volume to come. It should arrive soon. Right? Yeah, again, there's always that 5% that can get you. And I already played my bullets. So letting the storm pass. I'm gonna let the storm pass. But it has to break this, obviously, right? It has to break this. Look at that. Look how much support is created. So this is the first spot, second spot, third spot. You know, breaks here. TP1 about 25 pips, about 42 pips to the bottom. And then after that, forget it. It's going to run forever if it goes through there. Yeah, BT, you're right. I don't know. Everybody write to LQDFX, please. Everybody write to LQDFX. Find out what's going on. It's a fixed spread of 5.5 at the moment. It's been like that for 2 days, apparently. Is my thing stuck here? It's even moving. There you go. You have a bullet to shoot. Yeah, ask him what's going on. No, go ahead and chat. Go ahead and chat. Don't email. Just go ahead and chat. They're pretty good about getting on a chat with you live right now and ask them what's going on with the spreads. You just want to know. Just ask them, why is the spread fixed on gold 2 days in a row now, even though volume is fluctuating? It should not be the same. And if it is going to be the same, they needed to have sent out a letter to the membership that there was an issue or something's going on, or that volatility is such that they're going to keep it at that for the next foreseeable future. Wow. Wow. Well, do send an email, Darren. I'll send one too. It could be a glitch. And Mr. Customer Service doesn't know anything about the glitch, so. Well, a lot of brokers charge a lot of different fees. Jamaica boy. A lot of brokers charge different fees, so it can be whatever. But the fact that it is not fluctuating, even though volume is increasing and decreasing, and that it has been stuck like that for 2 days, when that is not the norm, something's up. So a lot of brokers charge different things, but with LQDFX, this has never been an issue. So something's up. And it could be that the high volatility, because it dropped so hard. I mean, it was through what, 3,000 points yesterday? 3,000 points it dropped, right? So because of that, they may be holding the high volatility on it. I mean, they may be holding a high spread on it because the volatility is high. Still, you know, they work for us, so they should find out for us what's going on and give us an answer. Five, 6 minutes to the 9 a.m. candle close and the open of the new 4-hour candle. Here we go, gold. Up and down the yo-yo goes. That hour candle is closing like that. Holy cow. It's a super strong rejection, chica. Massive rejection. Are we going to see the break of that finally? Are we? Are we? Are we? Vamos a ver si tenemos rompimiento. This is the same move we saw yesterday. Exact same move we saw yesterday, Josh. La misma cosa. Cinco minutos. Yeah. Wow. Bearish flag might work out. Dependent. Dependent, Lieutenant Dan. Lieutenant Dan. Ah, good old Forrest Gump. Stupid is as stupid does. So here comes a new 4-hour candle. Here in just a minute. What is it? 3 hours and 40 minutes. Oh boy. Just trying to make a definitive statement. Yeah, on the 15-minute, we may see the crossover of the 8 over the. And is that my 8? Yeah, that's an 8, right? I'm pretty confident that's the 8. ¿Qué le pasa a esto? Yeah, 8. It already crossed the 20, didn't it? No, it hasn't crossed the 20 yet. Not even on the 15-minute. So we're early for the crossover. We could cross the 20 and the 50 at the same time. If it goes news at 10, that's an hour from now. Did we get the new open candle? 30 seconds. Yeah. Just look at the high time frames. Just keep an eye on the high time frames, Darren. Yep. Sorry, guys. It's trying to close below. Yep, it's trying. Here it comes. Oh, goodness gracious. There it goes. Faking us out. Whoa, my gosh. That's a heart attack. That's a heart attack waiting to happen. Let's see, how quick was that? It broke. That's only like 13 pips. Let's see what this does. This is the beginning, like I said, of the 4-hour candle. I think it's going to sell hard. I think it's going to sell hard. Okay. Again, looking at there. Looking at there. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, there it goes. Boom. That's TP1. Two pips. Should hit TP2, I think. Yeah, this is the continuation of yesterday's move, so it should at least test the low. It should come and test the low. So This bounce is expected, right? Because of that. But I really believe it should break through and test the low. Filling the wick, as we call it. Interesting. This is some good lessons right here from watching this action, because it did the same thing yesterday. Some scalpers are having a heyday here with the up and down action. Darren is loving the action, is what he's saying. What is GU doing? GU is dropping. GA is dropping. The Dixie is headed up. It's going after the highs. Bounce on the trend line. The Dixie is going after the highs. So the goal should be reaching for the lows. Yeah, it's gonna break. Dixie should break the highs, or at least test it. Oh, sorry guys. It should go. It should go and test the lows. But between what it should and what it will do, it's different stories. Darren, you're quite an emotional guy. You're quite an emotional fella. Okay, these buy orders are gonna run out. There are buy orders in here, right? So it keeps bouncing up every time it takes it, and people are taking profit every time it touches it. So that makes it go up violently. But those buy orders should wrap up. That's great, Mercedes. Same thing here. It's great not to be just in my head. bouncing my thoughts off of you. Nice rejection. Sorry. Yep. That just means buyers and sellers are battling each other, Darren. And people who were waiting on the flash drop, right, with taking profit, they probably had already either take profits here, or some people had buy orders, limit orders here to buy. So you see that going up and down, up and down, up and down, really hard. But eventually all those orders get filled, and then price does what it's going to do. Strong bounce. Joel probably got in the bottom of that wick. Oh, this is what I want over here. I want gold over here. Ah, what a mess. I'm messing it up. Here and here, I want gold. Okay. Keep it straight. Well, gold does that. Some of the indices do that. But gold is really violent. Clear win on those who took the rejection of the golden zone. It's only about 17 pips, but it's a nice little win. Yeah, basically it's kind of coming back for a retest of the area that it left. We still don't have a candle close, even a 15-minute candle close. All of that was a 15-minute candle close. Dude, I mean, the range of that 15-minute candle, 35 pips. Very nice, by the way. We missed out on this, or at least I had not picked up on the fact. There's a crossover happening right now. I had not picked up on the fact that it closed below the 50, retested and broke down below the 50. It retested the 50 again. I didn't notice that on the 15-minute. Yep, Dixie's going after the highs. Look at the hour stochastic. I think the 4 hours at the bottom though, isn't it? Yeah. Right? Josh would have already taken it from the top. You ain't no dummy. Nice move on GU. About 20 pips now, 21 pips or so. Good old scammer's back. Yeah, Dixie's going after the highs. This Dixie is ripping. That's the currency, the US dollar currency. So that should break the highs. Means this is going to break the lows perhaps. And this should break the low, at least come to the low and test it. Running out of time here, guys. So I've got about 15 minutes. That's the Dixie. That's an inverted head and shoulders. And if that inverted head and shoulders continues, it'll break this neck and run. The US dollar flexing. Yeah, Mercedes. Yeah, I did the same. I reported them. And they would have to be bots because it's like, how in the world will they find me? Who am I? You know, so. $15-minute candle completely undecided. Closed bearish, but really undecided. Good, Chelsea. It's trying to return back from the zone that the minor area there that it left from. If we can get the Dixie to keep going up. Oh, look at coming down. Thank you, Darren. Yeah, it's not easy trading live. You know, you're distracted by a few things. But I think it's the right thing for me. It's the next step, right? Man, these are the two cells right here, man. That's the cell that I was waiting for. Timing. Everything is timing. Missed out on that. So I'm learning. I'm learning New York. Seen it twice now in a row. It's the 8 and the 9 a.m. candle. The volume is in the 8 and the 9 a.m. candle. And the 9:30 should prove something, because the 9:30 is the open of the stock exchange. So it should do something. Goes the Dixie going after the highs. Yeah, it does like this. It does like this area for buys, doesn't it? Awesome bounce. Seven minutes to the 9:30. It may be more predictable. Yeah. Even if the moves are not as dramatic as London, it may be more predictable. We'll see. I'm certainly going to take that into account and adjust my approach accordingly. Well, this is either double top happening or a breakthrough here in just a minute. Got 4 minutes to the 9:30. Well, I want to see the reaction of the 9:30 candle. And then I'm calling it. Much time? 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Let's see how Wall Street reacts to the index being as it is. And there are news at 10 o'clock, guys. Remember that. Job openings. I'm going to anticipate that the job openings is going to be very positive for the US dollar. Everywhere I go, there's job opportunities. I know COVID has kind of got everybody kind of in pins and needles waiting. But I'm telling you, everywhere I go, it's like, we're hiring, we're hiring, we're hiring. And small businesses is what runs America, guys. I learned that during 9/11. I was selling an energy drink. Back then, it was a startup business. I was a distributor for Palm Beach and Broward. I had 200 clients, and they were all, pretty much every one of them, cash clients. And when 9/11 hit, nobody would buy. The product sold, but nobody would buy to restock. They were all holding on to their cash because they didn't know what was going to happen. And energy drink is a luxury item, right? I mean, you don't really need it. So when I saw that and I experienced that, I realized, yeah, small business in America run America. Well, small businesses everywhere are hiring right now. So that should be a very positive number for the US dollar. Okay, this is the 930. Here he goes, 930. So the 30-minute candle of the 9 a.m. after all that up and down ended up closing bearish and closed below the zone. So this candle right here should respect this wick. This candle should respect this wick. That's how I see it. And it broke the trend, didn't it? It broke the trend line. It's the first one that actually closed outside. We should see it go down. Let's see if it disrespects that wick. Sister Dixie is taking a dip. Gold, GU did touch the bottom zone. 21 pips. Let's go back to that 4-hour candle. One-hour candle. Minute. A break of this wick would be the break of the wick of the 4-hour candle. This is a new candle, new 4-hour candle. So it should respect that. I think I am out of time, peeps. Sorry, guys. So if you watch the action, right? Well, especially the action once volume came in. The action on gold goes up and down quite significantly, but it respects structure. Okay. So you can always play on the structure. Don't worry so much about the up and downs of the candles. Play it on the structure. If you use the proper lot size, you'll be all right. No matter what it does. You'll get your feelings hurt if you trade too big of a lot size. because a wick can take you out and still go in your direction, which is what happened to me over here. You know, it went in my direction after it did all this other nonsense. So, okay, guys, I hope you have a good day. Let me go ahead and shut it down. I hope that you guys have a great day. It's the middle of the week. If you're going to continue to trade, trade mindfully, as they say, trade carefully. Keep your lot sizes, I guess, again, at risk manageable, because there's still news coming. And that's pretty much it. I will be here again tomorrow. God bless you.